In this video, you will learn how to access your analysis requests via the Lab Access portal. Navigate to RadResponder.net and log in using your username and password. Next, select Lab Portal in the top ribbon. This page shows all the analysis requests that have been sent to your laboratory. This list can be sorted by clicking the column headers. The status field shows the current status of the analysis request form. A status of sent to laboratory means the samples are on their way to your lab. You can drill into an ARF by clicking the magnifying glass. This detail page shows the information on the analysis request. Here you can obtain all the relevant contact information, the shipment tracking number, and also see what samples are on the shipment. Click this button to download a PDF of the analysis request form. The first page of the ARF shows all the contact information and any special instructions. The next pages show the sample-specific information, and the last page shows the chain of custody. The paper form on the shipment of samples will be the official chain of custody. Next, click this button to obtain the electronic results template. This is where your laboratory result data will be placed so that it can be imported into the RadResponder database. Be sure to take some time to review the Acceptable Entries tabs and become familiar with the template. Next, we will describe what is typically included in a laboratory data package. While the specific requirements may vary, a laboratory data package may contain the following elements: a case narrative describing what was done with the batch of samples, including any summary information pertaining to the batch or batch quality control samples, or any problems encountered. A copy of the chain of custody documentation, a scan of the analytical reports from the instruments that include analyst review signatures, other documents that help data reviewers understand the data package, including any special instructions or calibrations or models or special libraries used, and finally, the electronic data in the RadResponder result import template. Here you will see the laboratory result data in the correct format. When your documentation is ready to upload, access the lab portal, drill into the ARF, and locate the document section. Press the Add button. Locate your result files on your computer. And choose one to upload. Enter a meaningful name and description. It is a good idea to include the ARF number in the file name and a brief description of what is contained in the file. Press Save when complete. Next, you will see the document has been uploaded successfully. Continue this process until all of your files have been uploaded. Now that your files have been uploaded, you may return to the main ARF list. You will notice the status has changed to Unreviewed Results. Messages can be viewed in two places. The portal message board can be accessed on the sidebar here. This shows all messages sent to the laboratory. Alternatively, messages can be viewed on individual ARFs. By expanding the Messages section, you will see the messages pertaining only to that ARF. Here, you will see a comment from the reviewer asking for a revision to the data package. At any time, you may add, edit, or remove files from your data package by clicking the Manage button in the Document section. When you feel you have addressed the message, click the magnifying glass to expand the message details. Press the Add Reply button and type your reply here. The reviewer will now be able to see your reply and continue their review. When you feel like the issue has been completely resolved, click Mark as Resolved. While the quick phone call may resolve minor issues more quickly, the message board provides a good way to have documented communications for audit purposes. When the reviewer has completed their review, they will change the ARF status to Results Reviewed. And finally, when all expected results have been uploaded for the ARF, they will mark it complete. You can monitor the status of your ARFs here in the ARF list. When the ARF has been marked completed, you are finished with that ARF. Thank you for your time, and remember to refer to this video or the job aid if you run into any problems.